Hey guys, it's Ashleen. So today, instead of doing a makeup tutorial, I decided to introduce you to my babies, all of them, my children and my fur babies, so that you could learn a little bit more about me. My house isn't complete unless I have at least 2 animals in it. Now I went overboard and now I have 4. And I introduced you to my boys. A lot of people say they look like twins. I don't see it. I can tell that they're brothers, but that's it. And I know some people are going to say, why have you put your children on social media? I asked their permission. If they don't want to be on it, I don't make them. So they're on it, they like it, they're just little attention seekers like their mother. So they're on. I have got absolutely not a stitch of makeup on today because I am giving my skin a rest, because I will be filming over the next couple of days and I need to just give my skin a break. It's really hot here today as well. It's really humid, so it's just going to sweat off anyhow. Anyway, enjoy meeting my babies, and I will see you when I film my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, which will probably go up on Thursday. It's Monday today. The tutorial will go up on Thursday. So I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, night, week, weekend, wherever you are, and I'll see you later. This is Scout. How puppy? That is where he sits, and that is where he stays. Hi. He's a bit shaggy. He goes in and... oh, hi. In a couple of days to have a haircut because he's too hot for being outside, are you, mate? And this little pocket rocket... Wicket! Hello? Where's your toy? Oh, sorry. This is Wicket. He's a nut job. He just never stops. He's 13 months old, and he's a nutter. This is a vibrating bark collar, so when he does bark, yes, I know, it vibrates on his voice box and he doesn't like it, and it encourages him to stop. We go over here, and it's Mickey Mouse. My son named her when he was 2. He was obsessed with Mickey Mouse. So, this is my girl. My brother-in-law says she looks like Toothless, the dragon of How to Train Your Dragon. Mickey! She's not impressed because Wicket's jumping around. And this fatso is Misty. So the cats are both 6. Wicket's being tough. What's the matter? He's 13 months old, and Scouty is 3. And that's the pet. Oh, we also have a tank full of fish, but it's pretty dirty, so I'm not going to show you that. They're nutters, but Scout is like the most chill dog. Oh, you're tired. Scout, hello. Wicket, leave your brother alone. This is daily occurrence. Bless you. These are my children. This is Oliver. He is 6. He will be 7 in July. Thomas, look at me. And this is Thomas. He will be 9 in May. And the dogs decided they'd come in too. This is our filthy couch. This is from lots of children and animals learning to toilet train. Say hi.
Hi.
Don't do that. Thomas, say hi. Yeah, he's too busy. What are you playing?
Best friend.
Best Friends. And Ollie, what are you watching? Curious George.
As usual.